Hello everyone and welcome back. Still a bit sick. My voice is not the best, but we're here for the live every day, forever. I need to go to the doctor later, but I'm here for 30-40 minutes. Not too much. Not the best form from Amza, your guy. I'm here to survive. I will do that just 30-40 minutes of live and then we'll see. Good morning, Abdel. I will go to the pharmacy later to get the antibiotic. That's, I think, is what I need right now. But I can still walk compared to my brother. I got better. Thank you, Active Society. Thank you so much, man. I got better. Not the best, but my fever is better. I will be here not super active, but oh wow, what a gap down. Wow, okay. That's some gap. Did we cover all the gap above? No, we did not. We still have 80 points. Interesting. Interesting, guys. Apple filled the gap already? What the heck? Oh yeah, you're right. No, the gap is still about $2 more. $2 more for Apple to fill the gap. 202 and 20 cents. Somewhere there. Looking for a bounce, yeah. Looking for that, to be honest, right now. I'm just, I don't understand. No, but yesterday price action was horrible, by the way. Now I figured it out. Ah, a while back. Oh, okay. Not this one. Now it makes sense. Let's check it out. Yes, I see. It filled that gap. Yeah. Might look for longs. Yeah, I mean, I don't look that much the stocks for the moment. Well, do we have news today? Do we have news? You're getting long small sides. We're at 10 a.m. news. 10 a.m. We're looking as well for longs. Everything is holding here. The 5-minute candle is gonna close in 40 seconds. That's gonna be nice. We're gonna get in 2 macros. The 101. Random stop loss. Let's see. Let's see. For the moment, still I like it. Google is still pushing. And the others, even if they're like right now retracing a little bit, it's still okay. Nice Google, nice Tesla. Yeah, 100% active. I'm looking at it. I might go call it quick here and then just take another one later. I like, come on Amazon, push me there. That's nice. Okay, if Amazon push me to the highs there, it's good. Looking. Let me see a nice pushing candle before adding. Well, Tomato, I'm sorry. But if you want, we can go on a call, but not today. Tomorrow or the day after, we can go through some things together. I added. Amazon still pushing there. Yeah, not the best yet, but let's see. I like that Amazon was pushing strongly. Come on, Amazon, bring us this NQ to the highs. Now Tesla as well pushing. Give us a nice push. Nvidia to the highs, yeah, but Apple is pulling us back right now. Apple, the only one is Apple right now. But let's see. Still Amazon holding us. Tesla as well to the highs. It's gonna pull back a little bit, but we have to be good at holding it right now. Okay, not the best. We wait. Still holding there. Nvidia pushing us right now. Amazon as well. Apple starts to push above, will be nice. It will bring this market, this Nasdaq to the highs. Still holding there. Not the best hold. Okay, that's nice. Come on. We're giving it, it's been 3, 6, 9, 10 minutes, and we didn't get a real push right now. So it's really fighting to get that above. This market really trying its best, but too much differences right now. Nvidia on the highs, but not really continuing, so that's kind of sucking us. Power later? Wait, I have to be careful. There's power later. Oh yeah, power we speak, but no interest rate. Okay. It's gonna be interesting then. Okay. Can you keep pushing above there, market? Thank you. Nvidia nicely pushing finally. Been waiting for this contract to go at least at 700s. On the closing now. That's at least is a little bit of a push there. Let's see if we're gonna get the push above. 15 minutes candle closing in 40 seconds. No, 1 minute and 40 seconds. Oh, let's wait. Apple is the only thing is holding us back. Good morning, Hope. And these things is turning back on us, guys. That's not good. Waiting, still okay. So I'm gonna still wait on this position. It's trying to hold part Tesla, not holding anymore. Okay, that sucks. I'm gonna call it out there. I took a nice loss there, but better than my normal stop. How much we're down? 178. That's, yeah, this Apple was not totally helping us here. We added, and we got screwed. Apple was really not going to the same direction as the market, as Nasdaq. It was really making lower highs, lower lows, and the others were trying to push, and in the end they gave up. The push was getting slower and slower. I could have taken it out before, to be honest, but okay, we'll learn. Normal loss, $200, that's fine. We have another loss of $200 that is allowed, and then it's max loss for the day. So right now we are more understanding. Somehow I'm up to $84. I think I was up $130 somewhere here, $130-$140. I closed the month with 230. Nick, honestly, I start to feel that this was a fake one because it was getting weaker and weaker, right? The push was so weak, slowly, and then boom, the sell-off came. At least I got out here and not here, so I saved myself. How much I saved myself there? Not that much. I mean, 15 points. Now I'm looking, waiting. Maybe he's gonna come for a short right now. I'm just waiting for this Nasdaq to turn red on the day. This is the opening print level of today. Oh, that can be still. Ah, okay. Thank you, Hassan. What's up? Good morning, guys. Sorry, by the way, by my voice. I'm not feeling the best. I'm not speaking that much. Sell is coming. Sell is coming. Blood Wednesday. You can call it Blood Tuesday, Blood Wednesday. We protect ourselves from days like this by respecting our rules. That's some Apple sell off there with that candle. If we break this low here, I'm gonna start shorting. I'm short, guys. I'm gonna grab these shorts. I could have entered before. I could have gained myself 20 points, but yeah, let's see. Starting short. $15 minutes break there. If you didn't get slippage, you're good. Random stop loss. This one I could have done much better. I could have entered somewhere here, 20 points higher. It was a reflection entry there. I like the short idea. I'm gonna keep it. By the way, at 4:15 Eastern time, you had a huge push there. What the heck happened here? So we might get to these lows at least, hopefully. Everywhere is fighting to sell off. It's fighting everywhere. It's not able to sell off properly somewhere. Don't fight, guys. Don't fight. Like I always repeat, I don't care what you trade. Make money from trading, that's enough. It's the hardest things to do. If we keep each other's fighting in the trading world, then we are not helping each other's. Be whatever you trade, I don't care. If you look at the moon to take the long or to take the short, take the long, take the short looking at the moon. I really don't care. If you're making money with it, make money with it. I'm gonna add to this short. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed by this add. Daniel, take some profits. I'm gonna take full profit around 510. Somewhere here, if it comes. If it does not come, I accept the loss. Amazon still breaking lower. Everything is selling off more. Gonna keep waiting and holding. Nice catch, hopefully, because it's still not nice catch until I didn't close the position, Mufti. Until the position is not closed, it's not a nice catch. It's a position that I'm in. I lost $200 in this first short here, the first long. Hey guys, calm down there, calm down. I did not create this group for fighting. I wish it was for fighting. It would have been more exciting every day. Ozek is the worst. Matthias. Okay, we're getting a little. Come on, market, push a little bit more. You don't need to be that ugly on the lows here. Overnight low, hopefully, Steve, they're there at 510, 520. Will be nice. For the moment, I'm in the position. Thank you, Nick. Let's see if I don't get screwed by this push, but for the moment, they're making lower highs, lower lows in the stocks. So I'm gonna keep holding. Pretty boring open. I mean, boring for me that I'm getting destroyed, yes. Look at that. Guys, there is no need to fight at all, especially between traders. Okay, we're getting screwed. Daniel, with the take some profits, was right. Take some profits. This shit is gonna kill me. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay. Hello, Siddharth. Okay. Can you give us a nice closing candle there? Yes, give us oh, nice. Give us all these people that were buying getting stopped out. 25 seconds. We haven't used in 1 minute and 20 seconds. This is gonna be an important one. I'm gonna keep holding. Hopefully we're gonna be right on it. I mean, guys, if you're fighting, please let me bet on you at least. Let me bet on who's gonna win, who's gonna make a. Okay, can we get a little bit more push on that freaking downside? Piece of crap. Break that 35. Scott, yeah, I can't log in. What do you mean you can't log in? Oh, come on. 30, 33, yes, do it. Do it. Do it. Okay, right now it's gonna do it. I'm gonna take that contract I added, I'm gonna take it out. News is coming in 15 seconds, guys, so best of luck. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed. That's good. I'm gonna close one contract there. I mean, how can I be unlucky that I closed it 10 points lower? But let's see. I'm gonna keep holding this one. What do you mean? Take free contracts, very good job. That's why I love you, Mufti. You always check. What do you mean you can't log in, guys? Tried a bit. Oh, okay. Make me money. Come on, crash this shit. Thank you, Mufti, for doing that. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. You know, it helps a lot. The algorithm, everything. Osek is long. I'm still short, but I'm looking into it to cut it out. Price action is getting weird. Since a few days, my friend. It's getting weird. I'm gonna add one contract there and just be careful on flattening it if I don't like it anymore. But I like that we can continue go lower here. Nvidia sending off, and Google can reject this view up. No, yeah, no, it's good. It's good. It's good. Can we get a little bit more? Okay, might call it. I'm gonna call it there. I removed, anyway, I lost a few points only on that contract. How many? I mean, I recovered $150 loss, a bit more. So I was kind of in break even, but not happy for the moment with my risk reward. The fuck happened here to my PC? It went crazy. I don't know what's happening. Wow, my PC went crazy, guys. You can see that Quant Tower crashed? No. Yo, something happened there. Give me a second, guys. Wait, I need to fix everything right now. Everything is totally messed up. I really don't know where is it. My Quant Tower disappeared. It's there. Okay, now this one is back too. Okay, we're back. Man, I got everything sick, man. I got everything sick. For real. Ah. That was a good way, a good cutoff here. Very happy with it. How many days see that? It depends. It depends. If I go YOLO one day, if I take it seriously, then it should take more. And my advice is always taking it seriously, especially if you care about how much you're spending for it. my advice is always just copy trade it. If you have a PA, just copy trade it from your PA and do a double sides. That's my best advice. By the way, it reached 510, almost, yeah, 510 reached it. Should have taken out everything there. How much I was up? 552, $80 plus. I was quite up. Yeah, in one day you pass. Day you pass? No. Usually I take it slow. But if you have like evaluation to YOLO, then you can YOLO it with a quick break. The best account to YOLO are the 50K account, because with 10 contracts, you got a nice break, 15 points, and your account is passed. But my advice is take it seriously. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm gonna call it like that, taking this loss. Oh, mini, like 10 contracts in mini NQ, of course. That's 15 points. But of course, it's a very YOLO way. So I would say just do it on a break, on something where you're like sure you're gonna get some momentum. Like for example here. Yeah, that's a YOLO. That's called a YOLO, Active Trader Society. Now we're speaking about evaluations. How to, if he wants to pass an evaluation very quick, he can YOLO it if he wants. That's not my advice, but he can YOLO it. Oh, life is YOLO. See, Matthias understand. Yeah, but it's just to pass the evaluation, not to trade the DPAs, the funded account. I mean, it's not the best for sure. I'm looking for shorts, by the way. It's because that Apple is gone to the lows. Let me grab it. I'll grab one macro. Gonna add Apple breaking the lows. That's a nice chart here for the short side. Come on, market. Sell off. Sell off right now. Just want this short to work a little bit more. Oh, baby, feed me the chart. I remember this contract that was never filled. Okay. I'm gonna remove it. I'm out. Then we'll see. It's a good trade anyway. I would have risked somewhere here, take it out until here. That's a good trade, I would call it, until this support. Long from OSEC. I guess here I could have made much more money, and here today I could have cut my loss before, to be honest. This long was fine, but at the moment I see that the market was not going in my direction, like Apple was going lower, I should have tied my stop loss. And today I would have been nicely green. Okay, now he's selling off more. Nice way. Yeah, we fought. I'm just learning, you know. I'm just learning my way, right? That's the only thing. So I'm learning my way. The fact that, for example, here I could have cut my loss before, and here I could have taken my nicely profit there. But we're good. We're good. If we break that lows, let's see. I don't think I'm gonna take any other trade. Sometimes you short into support. Here I shorted into support. This ad was into support. Here. Here, that's why I was like looking, what the fuck is doing my computer today? What the fuck? There I could have taken my profit and just call myself out because I was on support. You better be quiet, you piece of crap. On the support side of the stocks, I have to look into it more. But I mean, it should kind of slightly. Oh my god. Yeah, you better be silent. I'm just joking. And look at that push, by the way. You know how much I make? IT Trader Society? I don't tell you because you will cry. Look at that Google guys pushing into the sky. I make 0.1%. I'm profitable. I'm profitable. You want to speak about it? No, I'm just joking. No, I get your point on the stocks. Which one you looked at on that one? The Apple one? It's a bit hard to have all the levels. Around 76%. Here I might start to look for longs, eh? Okay, that's good. Yeah. Yeah, this one, taking it out would be perfect. At least taking out almost everything and later one, but we'll see. We'll learn. These were green on the day. These things can start to look good for longs, eh? We start to be above this area. That is not an advice, but the highs and lows. It's like saying I'm not racist, but I don't like Moroccans. Right, Matthias? when reading your sentence. I'm not racist, but people of your color are not amazing. Oh my god. Oh, that's the first laugh of the day. Now after this I'm going to the pharmacy. Hello, Matt. Man, doing okay. Sick, but surviving. Guys, 80% is off there. And I wish you the best. If you're trading with Apex, if you're not trading with Apex, trade whatever you want. Trade your money, trade your mom's money, trade whatever money you want. I just wish you the best as a trading people. If you want to use other prop firms, I don't care. Use whatever you like, guys. I'm not here to push anything. That's the only code I have. But if you use another prop firms or your money, you're always welcome to speak about trading. Trading is outside anything related to the prop firm you're using or the money you're using. If you're good making money with trading, you are above the 97% of the people. Let's start trading. Look at that Google, guys. Oh my God. Amazon as well pushing. I might look for a quick long here. Look at that. Be long. Yeah, I like that. The long from here was amazing. Amazing. Don't worry, I'm active. The long for me was start to look good from here, from the opening print level. I'm gonna, but I didn't want to get it anywhere long because my level was here. I still use my levels, so I'm gonna wait to see this breaking properly above. Oh, that's a nice push there. I'm getting long there. Long was from the low of Europe, Hamzita. You got the long from here. Look at this. Look at my long. How do you like my long, Josek? Do you like it? It's sexy, right? Nailed it. I would say that I nailed it. I don't know what is my stop loss there. I'm gonna call it quick. How to turn the little green day to a red day. But let's see. I'm gonna wait. This thing's still holding. Josek, I noticed that in the last period, I'm getting every time long or positions entry when in a resistance or a support. Not the best there, but you're an anti-trader, I swear to you, I am. But this looks good. It's holding. No, unfortunately, no. I cannot hold for 1 hour. In the next few minutes, I see how it evolves and I'm gonna call it out. It's holding on the level at least. It's 115 there. 75 was exactly the level, but it's holding on the level. The idea of long here was a bit nice. I was just waiting for this level to be confirmed. Yeah, in the right direction, yes. Everything is holding properly there, so I'm gonna wait, give it the time. You think you should change the platform? What do you mean? "15 minutes candle just closed there. Another platform. What do you mean, Quant Tower? No, I like Quant Tower. Why Quant Tower is bad? Oh no, I like Quant Tower. Look at that. It's so clean. It's beautiful. It's so clean. Candles are clean. Everything is clean. Price. You can average until a limit of loss on an unrealized position. For a 50K account, you cannot let your position go $750 in a loss in one position. And if you grow the balance, then this $750 increase. It's 30%. So you can average down, but just don't. For example, this is a 50K account. I should not let this trade go $750 in a loss. Okay, I'm getting screwed, guys, on my last trade. Still fine, but I'm letting it a little bit. This piece of crap. Ah, Ozek shorting. Man, just take everything that I do deposit. If you weren't short here, you would have made some good money already. Yeah, I'm gonna have a call in my Discord the next period just to teach you all the rules, so you know what to not to do or what you can do. Good, Matthias, you're doing amazing, to be honest. You nailed them today. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna break. Apple is starting to push there, so I like it. Amazon is holding. For the moment, looks good. I like it. I'm gonna add. I like it. I'm gonna add, guys. Maybe I'm gonna get screwed, but I'm gonna add it one macro. I like the long. I like the stonk. I like the stonk. Let's see. We get this push here. Come on. Push us, push us, push us, push us, push us. Push, 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 push. That's some. Come on. Come on, market. Tesla is pushing. Tesla is pushing. I'm gonna add 10 guys. Fuck it. I'm out. Fuck it. I lose the day. I was green for a little bit more, but that's it. I'm done. Have a beautiful day. Break even. We can call it little red. Everything is slowing down there. Gonna wish you the best, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a beautiful day. And peace and love, guys.